Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 3008 SUV in the active specification. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, you get speed limit recognition, reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got the 8-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. Some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. Car has the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. If this car's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.